This is the fly pattern that you never knew you needed. To tie it, we'll start off with some black thread, secure it to our hook shank, and snip the excess free. Continue wrapping, laying down a thread base for our next steps. Whip finish, and snip your thread free. Grab some brown, yellow, and tan foam, as well as a pen cap. Use the pen cap to mark out your foam and cut out the shape that it leaves indented, giving us a round patty. Add some super glue over the thread base and place your patty on the underside of the hook. Add some pressure to seat it in place, topping it off with some more super glue. We'll then place down a brown patty on top of the bun and sandwich between the hook. Give it a squeeze to secure. We'll then add some more super glue, cut out a square of our yellow foam, placing this above the patty. Give it a squeeze and select a green feather. Add a drop of super glue and place a small amount of the feather carefully in the middle, adding a bit more as needed. Secure by adding another drop of super glue and placing a patty over top. Give everything a squeeze to secure it, trimming up the lettuce until you're happy with the results. Add a little more super glue, as well as another tan patty. Give the whole pattern a squeeze, and use your scissors to carefully round over the top. And this is the cheeseburger fly pattern. Yes, I've caught fish on this, but I typically use it as an indicator for brook trout. Learn how you can win this fly in the comments below, and also check out the video of me catching a brook trout on this. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.